How to send music on iPhone messages. So here is a full guide on how to send music via iMessage on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the Messages app on your device. Once inside the Messages app, simply choose the conversation where you want to send the music to. Now, once in there, tap on the plus button available at the bottom left corner of your screen. And once you tap on the plus button, you will get to see some options available on your screen. Now, scroll until you find the music and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the music, you'll be navigated to the music app. Now, here choose one according to your preferences. So, I do not have any music available on my music app, so you won't get to see any. But if you do, then you will get to see the list of music available here. And from the list of music, you can simply send one or two to your friends. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.